We are on our third week, first day. So right now, nalagay na namin yung bubong and gutter namin dito sa ating warehouse part. Then we are doing the office second floor area. So makikita niyo dito, meron tayong decking na made of steel din. Then later on, we will put some plywood and PISM board dito sa decking niya para yun yung magsaserve na ating pinaka second floor deck. So right now, ginagawa ng ating mga manpower is preparation for the roof beams. So yung roof beam natin is also made of a rectangular tube 2x4. It will be welded dito sa ating poste na 4x4. So yan, maya-maya nyan malalagay na yung ating roof beam, then gagawin na rin yung ating mga C-par beam para ready na for roofing. Ito yung mga metal base natin, so kinakat nila into size para magamit natin silang gauge plate sa ating mga dugtungan. So yan, mga acetylene with the oxygen, kinakat nila dahil medyo mahirap katinin using yung cutting wheel lang. So kailangan natin ng acetylene para sa makakapal na bakal.